Shadi khat karoge? Will you come on a horse for the Indian wedding? What is gonna be the venue of our marriages? Ooh. Are we going to invite some of you guys to our marriage? When did you first know you wanted to be in a relationship with each other? It was kind of like love at first sight. Will we shoot a video about the wedding? How did we manage difference in religions?
Alright, the most important question. When and where are we getting married? Hey everybody, Shrey here.
Giulia here.
So ever since we announced that we're getting married, so many of you have been asking so many questions, and we actually had a very nice staycation here in Delhi. We're staying at the Hyatt Residences. We have a lovely 1 BHK apartment just to ourselves. There's a lovely pool downstairs and a very nice restaurant. So we're having a really chill time, and we thought maybe we take some of this chill time out and answer some of your questions. Shall we start with the questions then?
Yes, let's start with the juicy question.
Let's start off with a bang.
Literally, I've opened the Q&A box on Instagram, and I think the 99% had exactly these two questions. When you're going to get married, where you're going to get married.
So the where is like we will have 2 marriages, one in India and one in Italy.
Exactly.
That's all we know for now, unfortunately.
I mean, we kind of have an idea regarding the Italian one. We have honestly 0 ideas regarding the Indian one. We are collecting a lot of input from our families. Of course, you need to keep this in mind. We're gonna have for both marriages a lot of people traveling for them. So people will travel for the Italian marriage and people will travel for the Indian marriage, because a lot of our friends and family are based abroad. So we really have to think about that when it comes to the location. It has to be easily reachable from the airport and all that jazz. So let's see.
And then as far as when is concerned, we will try our best to get married this year.
Yes, which is crazy.
We're gonna beat the pandemic, guys.
Because you know what's exactly happening around the world. So the plan for Italy is to be roughly by the end of summer, early autumn times, where in India it's gonna be most likely by the end of the year.
What we're waiting for right now for our Indian family to be able to fly to Italy, and then for her Italian family to be able to fly to India. So as soon as the borders open, I think we'll just go boom, boom, boom with the marriage.
Exactly, we need like the tourist visas to be open for both of them. In fact, we have kind of an idea why we are keeping everything on hold. We have put options, right? But everything is on hold because we're only gonna be able to confirm it if they're gonna open the borders, which is quite stressful.
Okay, so we're walking now to the breakfast place. We can take a few questions on the way.
So sunny!
It's also so beautiful, check it out. Wow, feels nice. So baby, what's the next question?
Next question is, will we do the 5 hours long traditional Hindu marriage?
Yes, we will. We will have like a traditional Hindu ceremony with the fairas and everything.
Yeah, definitely.
She's actually very excited about that.
I'm super excited.
So we will definitely have that.
Yeah, and then the other question was, will we have a wedding hashtag?
Ooh, that's a good idea. We never thought about that
question.
actually.
Yeah.
Yes, we should have a wedding hashtag. Maybe
Actually-
like Giulia.
No. Actually, you guys should start.
Yes, let us know in the
writing
comments below what we could do for a hashtag.
Yes, we should have 2 different
Think about
hashtags.
something cool, guys.
How is this so far?
It's so much more comfy to answer questions like this.
Next question. What is gonna be the venue of our marriages?
Ooh. Well, let's see. What do we like?
So we like places with a lot of nature. That's definitely one thing. So we will definitely have venues with big parks, or at least with huge gardens and huge lawns, because honestly I think our feeling is more around the style of boho chic. So we don't like really fancy posh restaurants or something like that. We really just wanna have it in the nature.
For the Indian one, like we would like to have a destination wedding, but
Yes.
we'll see. There's so many things to be figured out. This is such an early stage right now.
Yes, exactly.
That is hard to say.
Exactly.
Maybe we should just make like a cup of tea or something.
Yeah, let me make a cup of tea.
So what's the next question?
Are we thinking of going to a honeymoon post-COVID? And if so, where?
We'll definitely go for a honeymoon.
Absolutely. Dave, where are we gonna go?
Well, I think I know
You
where.
know what you have to answer.
I know. Where are you? I know where. I know where Giulia wants to go, guys.
Yes.
That's Bali.
So-
But the question is, do I want to go there?
I definitely want to take Shrey to Bali one day. If it's not gonna be Bali, let's say what is gonna be? We really like the idea of going to Japan.
We might go to Japan, but to be honest, I feel most relaxed and chilled out when I'm in Goa. Goa for the honeymoon.
Yeah, and then some people tell us about the Maldives, some people tell us about the Seychelles. We don't know yet, guys.
But I think as you can make out, like the options are Bali, Maldives, Seychelles, Goa. So it's probably gonna be like a beach. Time for my tea. This is like so cool, like you have basically an entire kitchenette to yourself. There's also a washing machine, so if you wanna just wash your clothes, you can do that. You can heat up your food. And this is so cool because if you're staying in a hotel, then you're like most of the time you're just eating out or like ordering in.
Yeah, exactly.
And sometimes you miss that sort of like home food.
Yeah, definitely food that you cook has a different energy, so we really like the idea. Next question, let me answer it while I sip my tea. What type of dress you would like to have for your Indian style wedding? I'm definitely gonna go for the traditional Indian bridal dresses here in India. And I'm definitely gonna try different things out. Actually already now while I'm here, I really like pastel colors, so let's see. How people arrange weddings in Italy. It kind of takes a lot of time. You can either have a wedding planner or you can either plan it by yourself with the help of your family, and it takes a bit longer than in India, roughly like 1 year. All right, enough about me. Wow, this tea is amazing. English breakfast. Let me go and ask Shrey one question. Shrey,
What?
did I propose to you or did you propose to me?
Guys, we have an entire video about this, about how I proposed to Giulia. Check it out, but just to make it short, of course it was me who proposed to Giulia.
Of course.
But when I did propose to her and I went down on my knee and I asked her the question, the weird thing that happened was that she didn't say yes or no, she just took the ring from my hand and put it herself on her finger. So
All the women out there did the same. Click the like button and leave the comments. I know I'm not alone. How is the chair?
this was like my post-retirement chair. When I retire, I'm gonna buy this chair.
Alright.
I'm gonna sip some tea and just think about life all the time.
The view outside. It's pretty amazing, right? Now we're gonna go to the swimming pool right there.
Alright, so we're walking towards the pool. If you notice our audio is a little bit different, that's because we changed the camera. We're now using a GoPro because we don't want our original camera to get wet. And the GoPro is waterproof. Anyway,
So-
do we have a question?
Yes, we have a really juicy question. How did our families react when we told them we want to get married?
Well, my family, I think they were just relieved because like they had been telling me for so long
Yes.
to get married.
Shadi kab karoge?
Exactly. What about your family?
I think my family actually, this is something that you guys don't know, but Shrey asked for permission to my parents and they were just crying.
They were so
happy.
emotional and-
They were super emotional. So
Yeah, I think it was really respectful of me to first ask their parents if I could
Yes.
marry their daughter.
yeah, so it was an amazing moment. I think I will always cherish that memory. The next question is, are we going to invite some of you guys to our marriage?
Oh my god, guys, we
That would be amazing.
we would absolutely love to invite you all. The only problem is the COVID regulations. So both in Italy
Yeah.
and India, I think you can only have like maximum 100 or 200
Yeah,
guests.
exactly.
So-
So if we're gonna find a way to do that, we're gonna do that. Let us figure this out first, because currently the situation is tricky, but deep inside we so want to do that. So we really need to think about a solution.
And if we're not able to invite, then at least we'll do something that makes you
Yes.
feel a part of our wedding.
Yes, absolutely. Okay, next question. How many attendants will we have at our wedding?
Well-
Okay, let me start from Italy. In Italy, actually, the average is around 100 or 120 people. So we don't have huge weddings. We actually have kind of smaller weddings. And that's exactly what we're gonna go for. We're gonna have roughly between 100 and 120. What about India?
I think in India, there is no upper limit. But it really, I think it depends on the COVID regulations. So I think
Yes,
COVID
exactly.
regulations probably allow like 100 or 200.
Yes, and he's the first in the family getting married, so he's the one that has to invite the most people, as you know.
That will be fine. I think Indian weddings with a
Yeah.
lot of people are a lot of fun actually.
Yes, exactly. Next question. What's in the food menu? Well, I can tell you that in Italy, the food is the most important part of the wedding after the ceremony and the couple, of course. So the Italian food and the Italian menu will be amazing, and it will probably only have one Indian dish. All of the rest will be Italian and will be extremely traditional. And maybe the difference is that we do a lot of served food rather than just buffet and self-service, but you're gonna check it out and you're gonna have the experience with us.
Next question.
Next question. Will we shoot a video about the wedding?
Yes, yes, and yes. Next question.
No! Yes, we have found a videographer, an amazing videographer, video artist in Italy. We haven't found anyone yet in India, but that's because we don't have the location. Next question. Will we have a YouTube live of our marriage?
No.
But another question is, will we vlog the process? Yes. Of course. You will see the process for both the Indian and the Italian wedding. Okay. Now, on to a really serious question that you guys asked. How did we manage the difference in religions?
Well, I think it's just respect for each other. So, like, Giulia respects my family's and my religious beliefs, and I respect her and her family's religious beliefs.
Exactly. And if you look at it really closely, then you will realize that we all have the same values, whether we come from one religion to the other. Okay, while we wait for the lift, let me reply to a question really quickly. When did you first know you wanted to be in a relationship with each other? I think quite quickly. I think it was on the first date. It was kind of like love at first sight. Okay, Shrey, the question that everyone wants. Will you come on a horse for the Indian wedding?
The answer is yes. I'm gonna come on a horse to pick up my bride, and not just any horse, but a white horse. And you know, guys, like all my European friends, they're so excited to see me in a horse. Like, I think they're gonna have a blast at my expense. So we're at the Anna Maya restaurant here having the famous Sunday brunch, and there's something special about it, right?
Yes, it's full of artisanal products, so I think it's really locally sourced and organic. That's why it's really special.
I really love this concept from Hyatt that they, you know, in times of COVID, they're supporting local artists and local sellers. And so a lot of the things that we will see here on the brunch is actually sourced from local vendors, which is a wonderful initiative.
Exactly. Now, before we go and get the food, should we answer another question?
Yes, let's do it.
Let me pick it up. What are the formalities for our marriage? Like the official formalities? Because I'm Italian and you're Indian, what do we have to do? Actually, we had a look at the different possibilities to register the marriage, and we most likely will do the civic part in Copenhagen because it's quite easier to get all the paperwork done there. Yeah, so we can't do it in Italy because I'm not an Italian resident anymore. I am abroad. We live both in Germany, so we will most likely do in Copenhagen, and you will find out about it.
So with that comes to an end the Q&A. If we missed any questions, do let us know in the comments below, and maybe we can do another Q&A video.
Exactly.
We had a great time at the Hyatt Residences in Delhi, and if you're looking for a place to stay in Delhi which is more feels like home and an apartment or home style, this is the place that I think we can definitely recommend.
Yes.
Alright guys, hope you liked the video. As always, click the like button, subscribe to the channel,
and we'll see you next time.
Bye bye. So, shall we start with the questions then?
Let's start.
It's gonna be a long day.
Pack my bags, get my ghost. Just when I was losing hope,